Hello everyone, welcome to Wondershare Filmora tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can we overlay multiple videos in Wondershare Filmora. So when we are talking about overlaying the videos, then we can overlay more than one videos simultaneously. Okay, so how do we do that? Let's just take a look. Suppose we have two videos, one beach and the other islands video. These I want to overlay. Okay, so I can just drag these two videos, beach video and the island videos, keep them at separate points in the video from my main video where I want to overlay. Just go to the first video, double click on it, transform its scale and position to where I want to overlay it. Similarly for the second video also, I can just double click it, transform its scale and position. Let's just decrease its scale a bit and change its position. Now once I'm happy with it, I can just go to the very first frame and start playing my video. So this is how the overlaying is looking. Firstly the beach video, then it's blank for some time, then the second video that is overlaid, the island video is playing. Just like that you can overlay as many videos as you want in Wondershare Filmora. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.